It's all about timing. As you know, divine timing controls everything, but let me tell you, the timing is now. This is where you're stepping into this new kind of path. This is the doors opening. This is a fated start and a fated turn of events, which puts you front and center. So the star is to be hopeful, but it's also to be the star of the show, and that is what is happening for you right now. So divine timing, divine intervention, everything that is beyond our control is now aligned for you. We've got the world there as well, so we're entering into this new cycle. Everything you've been waiting on is about to come together. We've got the Ace of Swords there as well. Everything is ready. It's the moment before takeoff right now. I feel like the doors are opening for you. I feel like this is the right moment. There's the manifestations of all the things that you want. So whether it's a job, whether it's a relationship, whether it's anything really that you can dream of, anything that you've been wanting is aligning for you right this moment. And it is a timing thing. So there may have been lots of delays, there may have been lots of hiccups and issues, but I can assure you, happiness is about to burst into your life. The sun, you've got the star, the sun, the world, the wheel. These cards are amazing, okay? So if you have been, look at this, if you have been in this place where you've been overthinking, where you've been overly emotional, where you've just been kind of waiting and feeling not in control of you and the direction your life's going in, or wondering why the doors haven't been opening, fear not, because this drained energy, this kind of going with the flow, this kind of trying to hope for the best, that is about to change now, because this is where we step into it. This is your ships coming in. There may be a conversation here that's very important about opening these future doors for you. I feel like what has been blocked previously is now moving into a stable place. So it could have been you that needed to align. It could have been the people that needed to align around you. If it's a partner you're waiting on, it could have been that person needing to align. But I can assure you, everything is now in place. You have 2 aces there as well, so that's 3 aces that have shown for you. And so we are definitely in our right now era. This is it. This is where everything starts to come to life for you. And I feel like the answer to any questions you may have is yes, right now. There is no maybes or no's. This is a time where ask for what you want and you will receive. This can be multiple things. So you might feel as though all of a sudden everything is happening all at once. Don't panic, go with the flow. Just know that everything that comes in your path right now is for you and only for you. Surrender to this, open up to it. Just kind of look at everything as an opportunity. So, you know, it might not be who's inviting you. It might not be what the event is. It might be someone you meet there. It might be going out with the girls and you run into a guy and he's the one. It could be, you know, meeting people through work that opens these doors that you didn't even realize were there. So it is a time for It is a time for celebration. It is a time for joy and happiness, and it will ultimately lead to the happy ever after, whether that's financially, whether that's emotionally, whether that's just for you reaching a goal. But this is your time.